Do you want to know how you can download Remitly on your Android device? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download the Remitly app. Talking about Remitly, it's a finance app from which you can link your bank account and make payments quite easily. So, go ahead and tap on or open the Play Store which is on your phone. Go to the search bar and then search for Remitly. You can see Remitly, go ahead and tap on it and click on install. After you click on install, in a while you can know that Remitly has been downloaded and is installing on your phone. If you want to know more about this app, you can tap on it and you can see that you can send money internationally, fast money transfer, secure money sending app. So this is an app to send money to family and friends abroad with the Remitly app and get a special offer on your first transfer. It is trusted by millions worldwide and it allows you to spend fast and secure money transfers to bank and approximately this amount of cash. So you can go ahead and install Remitly today. So guys, this is how easily you can download and install Remitly on your Android device. After you're done downloading it, go ahead and click on open and you can sign into your Remitly account if you have one, or else you can click on sign up and sign up for Remitly today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.